Hello, welcome. I'm here at the ISE 2020 show in rAVe in Amsterdam from Teledyne Lecroy, but we're showing here quantum data products, and the quantum data products that we have here today is the 280A for analyzer and the 280G for generator. So this is a robust solution for integration or online testing. Here we're just basically testing a line. You could be testing a network, so the analyzer can analyze the signal coming in, or the generator, we can generate a signal and put it on the network and on the line. So this is a low-cost, robust solution that people can use in the field for fault finding or installation, and a very good solution it is. If you need more information about this, then just go to the Teledyne Lecroy website and look up the quantum data product line on that website. We'd be happy to help you. Thank you.